What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. I'm a full-time options trader as well as prop firm futures trader. Again, what I'm going to do in this video is outline and kind of go over some of the price action from today based on the 20 SMA scalping strategy that I teach here on YouTube, and that I go a lot more in depth on and kind of expand on in Evolution Traders community. Right? So if you guys do want to join where you guys can trade live with me, get access to the courses, join the community, see the intraday levels and watch list, that link is going to be down in the description box below. But what we're going to do here is essentially look at each and every single 20 SMA play that's set up on the NASDAQ futures today. And we're going to go ahead and run through that 10 point, what I recommend take profit on this particular scalping strategy. Now, again, do you have to only take 10 points? What if the market goes up 50 points? What if it goes up 100 points? Well, again, there's ways to do that by holding runners and trailing those runners with another moving average that I teach in Evolution Traders. But again, for the sole purpose of this video, let's just go over the scalping part of it, where we're looking to get in. We have a defined risk, and we're looking to take a defined take profit at 10 points. So essentially we shot up right out of the gates off the market open. We were already trading above the 20 SMA, so there was no real setup that we're able to take. Now, again, for those of you who were trading live, we did get a couple of opportunities to trade a couple of levels, and that's some of the things that we do go over in the live chat each and every single morning. However, let's look at the first setup that took place at 8:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If I was to draw a price level line below the candle that closes below the 20 SMA, that price is 15,279. Our stop loss would be one of two places: over the 20 SMA or over our 1 bar entry, our reason why candle over that 1 bar. Okay, so in this particular case, if we were looking to enter at 8:40 in the morning Pacific Standard Time and we're looking for 10 points, we could have taken this trade from 279 all the way down to 269. Okay, if we're just looking for 10 points, that 269 is right about here. Okay, so this is just a quick little 10-point scalp that you can see you can take advantage of. That trade is a winner. So if you are following the strategy, you should have started off the day with one winner. Now let's look at the next setup that took place here at 9:55 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. That entry price was going to be above your reason why candle at 15,282. Your hard 1 bar max pain stop would have been down here at 259 or a close below the 20 SMA. Entry price of 282. Let's look for 292, and here's your 10 points here. So if we look at this here, this quick little scalp is 10 points. Now, obviously it goes from an entry price of 82 all the way up to 320. So definitely if you were letting it go a little bit, you could have taken 20, 30 points off this trade. Now we should be 2 for 2 on the day. Now, again, I only took 2 trades today. I did post that up in Evolution Traders today. I posted my P&L. Again, I only took about 220 bucks out of the market on the future side of things. But again, it's Monday. I was in no rush. Here is our next setup here. Okay, now we get a close below the 20 SMA, and if I look at how many points this actually got, from an entry point of around 532, drops all the way down to, I think it's 31 at 15,232, and it drops all the way down to 15,211. So there was another 10-point scalp that you could have taken here before it quickly reversed. Now, again, if you don't have it set up to where you're going to take 10 points or you're kind of waiting for a little bit more action to happen, I can see how this trade would quickly reverse and go against you. But again, how I teach this strategy is, if you're going to trade the NQ, understand it is very volatile. Understand that we're looking to snag those 10 points and just look for the new setup. Snag those 10 points, and if we're going to hold a runner, set your runner to break even, so that way we take profits on the initial size that we sold. Now we should be 3 for 3 based on this strategy. If we go to the next setup here that happens at 10:35 a.m., goes from an entry price of 285 and within 5 minutes goes up to 305. Here was another 10-point winner there. So essentially 10 points, 20 points, 30 points, 40 points out of the market, guys. And even if you were trading just one micro contract, you would be up around $80 on the day. If you were trading two, you'd be up around $160. If you were trading three, you'd be up around $240. So you can start to slowly see how you can build a decent day for yourself, just implementing this strategy, allowing the setups to happen, understanding where you want to take profits, understanding your risk, so forth and so forth. And obviously the bigger size you trade, the more money you're going to make on each 10-point win. Again, you're also going to lose a lot of money if on the losses when and if they occur, because they do happen. Now, again, if you guys want to jump in the room and you guys want to learn the strategy, I had three spots available to join Evolution Traders over the weekend. Somebody just jumped in the room over the weekend, so I only have 2 spots left to join, get access to the courses, get access to the live chat, get access to the intraday technicals. Again, take advantage of it, guys. It definitely helps to be around other traders who are doing this on a day in and day out basis. And, if that's something that interests you, invest in yourself and your education first and get around the right type of people. Because again, there's a lot of really good people out there who teach and really care and want people to get better. And there's a lot of people out there who are just all about flashing gains and what they're doing good, right? And it's easy to kind of get sucked up and caught up into that because of the fact that everyone wants that success, but they don't really know how to get it. So in our room, it's a little bit different. I treat it a little bit more real, as a in a sense where, I tell everyone, expect to lose, but when we win, we're going to win. And we use the room to, definitely benefit each and every single one of those traders. And again, if you really want to work on yourselves and figure out what you're doing wrong, well, then let's find out your mistakes and let's start correcting them. Because again, a lot of traders are arrogant and a lot of traders are, hard-headed. You don't want to put forth the discipline that this business needs. It needs to be boring. You need to be able to control your emotions. You need to be able to identify the same things each and every single day. That's what I really try to focus on in my room at Evolution Traders. Again, everyone is different out there, but I'll see the rest of you guys on YouTube. The rest of you guys who decide to join, I have 2 spots left. That link is going to be down in the description, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video.